YouTube, it's me. Today we are looking at two things. They're going to be in two separate videos that go hand in hand with the Sony PlayStation 4 controller and console, if you want to count it as one thing. I don't. I can count the console and controller as separate things, but not everyone's the same. And they are from Five Below, and I'll mention that in the second video as well. First thing we're going to look at is going to be the Sony YoUse the YoUse controller skins for the Sony PlayStation 4. Now you see these at Walmart sometimes for $10, sometimes for $15. The silicone grips. This is a 2-pack for $5, and it says for the PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller, Gaming Central U. Here's the back of it. It says ultra fitted protection, protects from damage due to drops, spills, and dust and scratches. Precise cutouts, removable and durable with easy access to all buttons, controls, and ports. Easy to clean, water resistant construction, remove, clean, and dry. And maximum grip, provides excellent grip and protection. To enhance the gaming experience, for questions and concerns, email us at info@youse.com. And these were released, I think, this year or last year. And you get a 2-for-1. Instead of the Walmarts where you spend $5 to $10 for one, you get two for the price of one. And yeah, these were $5 at Five Below, as almost everything is there at that amazing store. So let's open it. Some things that I've read about controller grips. I haven't had a controller grip in a long time. I used to have one for my PSP 1000, 2000. Never had one for the 3000. Used to have one for my GameCube controller. I apologize for the wind. I don't have a wind muff on my lav mic. But one thing I've heard is that after a while the oils make, and the heat from your hands make the grips expand. I've never had that issue. What I have had an issue with my GameCube controller grip is that it did expand, but it was ill-fitting. Like I bought the GameCube grip, took it out of the box, and it barely fit on my GameCube controller. So I didn't have it, it didn't actually fit. So here it is, it's rubbery, it is silicone, smells like a Chinese factory because these are made in China, it's a Chinese company. I don't know exactly how you should put it on. Let's see the back of it. It does have grips on the back, little grip, shark grips. And someone's gonna say, can you please zoom out? I really can't. This is as zoomed out as my DSLR lens goes. I don't know how you should put it on. I have no idea if you should, because this is probably where you're going to end up stretching it. I think it should be, you put left side or right side in. And as you can see, my PlayStation 4 controller, I did a review on this last year when I got it for 30 bucks. It's got the light stream on it, so I don't know if that'll affect it really. But yeah, this is probably going to be the part where you end up stretching the hell out of this. So I'm just going to try and do a time-lapse video. Not too fast, but I'm going to try and do a time-lapse and zoom out just a little bit by moving my camera back. So time-lapse, begin. Okay, time-lapse stop. This kind of, it's going to feel weird at first, but it is actually, even after all the stretching. As you can see, the stretches, like there were some stretch lines, like a pregnant woman. And look at that glow it gives it. It gives it like a professional kind of look, like what is it, the Nighthawk from Batman, isn't that what Robin became after Batman died? He became Nighthawk. He had the blue and black outfit. Look at that. And you know what's weird? It's that you saw when I was pulling it, there were stretch marks around here that were discoloring it, making it a lighter blue. They're completely gone now. Only bad thing I can say about this, only bad thing, is that you can't see the start and options button, and it's kind of hard to press them. Other than that, the D-pad feels fine. That feels fine. The speaker is clear. All the speaker holes are absolutely clear. Home button is a little bit difficult to press. That's wide open for the headset and the keyboard port. But it is a tight fit. It looks really cool. You even have the reset button. Everything, all the ports are open. You just miss the share and options button, and the home button's a little bit harder. But yeah, I might upload some video of me gaming with it, Grand Theft Auto 5, and you'll see like how I control the cars and stuff and if it's feasible or not. But as of right now, I'm gonna give it a yes, but I have to test it first because that could turn into no. Looking cool does not mean it plays fine. And if you're gonna play, which I do, maybe some people use theirs as a video editing machine, the PlayStation 4, maybe as just Netflix only, watching YouTube and stuff or browsing the internet, that's fine, but I use it for gaming and fitness. Check out that YouTube channel.